Hello students, you are welcome to another tutorial by Brain Boosters Tutorial. My name is Ibukunluwa. Today we are looking at statistics and we want to look at an introductory part of statistics. So let's go. What is statistics? What is statistics? Statistics is the science of observing, collecting and analyzing data. Statistics is the science of observing, collecting, and analyzing data. You will ask a question: what is data? Data can be facts, information, or observations. Data can be numeric, that is quantitative, or non-numeric, which means qualitative. So data are facts, information, observation. For example, example of a data is the name of the toothpaste, the type of toothpaste that you and your family use for a period of 6 months. Now that's data. Different examples. The list of cars that people have on your street, that's data. So that's the meaning of data. And data can be numeric, that has to do with number, or non-numeric. And numeric data can be classified as quantitative data, while non-numeric data are qualitative data. Let's now look at examples of numeric or quantitative data. Number one, height of Kazim, which is 1.5 millimeters. Weight of Osaro, which is 60 kilogram. Then average age of voters in Nigeria, 32 years. These are an example of numeric data. The non-numeric data are, for example, favorite color of Shola, which is blue. Best working day of Ife, which is Tuesday. Favorite meal time for DK, and that's dinner. So these are the two classification of data: numeric and non-numeric. Numeric data are expressed in numbers. If you can just look at it now, you can see that numeric data we have 1.5, 60, 32. While non-numeric data are expressed in words. Non-numeric data are expressed in words. You can see blue, Tuesday, dinner, words. Let's now look at classes of data. We have primary data and secondary data. So primary data are original or raw data collected and used for the main purpose of collection. Primary data are raw or original data collected and used for the main purpose of collection. Example: names of all tenants in a house in order to prepare a sweeping roster. A landlord can decide to just request for the names of all the tenants in his house in order to prepare a sweeping roster for the compound. That's a primary data, and it's going to be used for preparation of the roster. Secondary data, these are data collected and used for another purpose. Secondary data are data collected and used for another purpose. Example: list of poor states released by Central Bank of Nigeria. List of poor states in Nigeria, list of poor states released by Central Bank of Nigeria. So this is an example of secondary data. That means the list of those poor states can be used for different purposes. We can use them. Some people can use that list to check maybe their state is rich. Some people can use that list to make sure to just plan maybe for humanitarian activities. So that was an example of secondary data. The data is collected but used for another purpose. Can be used for diverse purposes. Importance of statistics. Statistics involves gathering information of the past for today and tomorrow's needs. Statistics involves gathering information of the past for today and tomorrow's needs. So for example, now you can gather data of information from the past, in order for it to use it for today and tomorrow. For example, you can get information of past governors in Lagos State, in order to find out whether those governors have done very well, and in order to find out or to plan up for a relocation of governors to another part of the state. So in order to, for example, now you can feel they can say, no, we don't want governor from Ikotun again, we want governor to come from Ikorodu. So using of data, or gathering of data from the past for today and tomorrow's needs. Statistics gives direction, control, and realistic confidence to man. Statistics gives direction, control, and realistic confidence to man. That is, with statistics, man can be able to establish a particular proof. Man can be able to, direct some kind of activities. Man can control any situation. For example, now with statistics and data of COVID-19 patients now, the government can plan for the number of vaccines to order for, and they can be confident that, okay, if we order for 2 million vaccines, we are covered. So that's what statistics does. Then statistics is used for population. That is, for example, food security. If the government wants to find out maybe there's enough food in the land, they will make use of statistics, get data of all the sellers of food and everything like that. Birth control, that's for countries that discover that their population has increased, so they can use statistics to control the population, just like tell the people that we don't want to exceed 2 million citizens. Then to determine birth and death rate, statistics is used to determine birth and death rate. So for example, now every hospital, we always have information about people that give birth in their hospital and people that died. So statistics is what is that information is used for that. So as a result of those kind of information, they will know maybe there's increase in death rate or increase in birth rate. Job and employment, statistics can be used to estimate the rate of unemployed citizens in the country. Statistics can be used to, for example, now once the data is collated, they're going to know maybe we have many youths that are unemployed, or we have sustainable manpower. That's the uses of statistics. Then crime control. Statistics can be used to control crime, because when they know that, okay, the unemployment is high, they would be able to detect that, oh, that's what is causing increase in crime. Then school and education, statistics can be used in knowing the percentage of educated citizens in the country, assessing the academic strength and weakness of the country. So for example, with statistics, some countries can be classified as highly intelligent country, while some can be classified as poor academic country. So those are the uses of statistics. We have a classwork here which says what is statistics, and give 4 examples each of quantitative and qualitative data. You can feel free to watch the video over again in order to understand. Let me quickly do a recap. Statistics is the science of observing, collecting and analyzing data. Observing, checking out the type of toothpaste you use in your family for the month of January, February, March. Collecting, maybe getting the carton or the pack of the toothpaste, and analyzing, okay, January we used Maclean's, February we used Close Up. So that's what statistics is. And data is is a fact or information, or data can be required to as observations So the type of toothpaste that you use in your family for January, March, April are what we refer to as data, information, observations. Data can be numeric or non-numeric. That means you can have quantitative data or qualitative data. Quantitative data has to do with data that are represented or expressed with numbers, while non-numeric data or qualitative data can be referred to as data that are expressed via words, when you use words to express information or data. We have classes of data: primary data and secondary data. Primary data are data that are collected and used for the main purpose of collection. Primary data are data collected or used for the main purpose of collection. They are raw data that nobody has even used before. For example, nobody has gotten information or data about the type of toothpaste that you use in your family. That's the raw data. Secondary data are data collected and used for another purpose. For example, list of poor states in the country by CBN, by Central Bank of Nigeria. We can have a list of highly infected states in the country by NCDC, the National Council for Disease Control. So that's an example of secondary data. Importance of data, importance of statistics. Statistics involves gathering information for the past, for today, and tomorrow's needs. Through statistics we can prepare for the future. We can also prepare for today. We can plan ahead. Statistics gives direction, control, and realistic confidence to man. So as a result of a new vaccine released, through statistics we can find out maybe the vaccines are working, because we'll be able to monitor the death rate of the citizens. So that's an example, or that's an importance of statistics. Statistics is also used for population, job and employment, school and education. So statistics is something that every one of us do or make use of in our daily lives. If anybody that studies statistics is called or referred to as statistician. Anybody that studies statistics is referred to as statistician. So we have statisticians in all sectors of the economy and in all parts of the country, because everybody makes use of data. So your classwork is what is statistics and examples of quantitative and qualitative data. Do watch the video again and make sure that you understand the topic. Thank you for watching this particular video, and please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, Brain Boosters Tutorials. Kindly subscribe in order to get updates of my latest videos. So I'll see you some other time. Bye for now. Bye bye.